Alrighty, how we doing, everybody? Real early in the morning, like 10 o'clock right now. Whew. Woo! Second video with the old Cummins. We are going to oil change. You know how you get on it, it like cuts out at like 2,500 RPMs, and I think it might be the fuel filter. So we're going to change the fuel filter as well. See if that does the trick. What's this guy doing? Well, he must be spraying. Woo! If the fuel filter doesn't fix the problem, I got an air dog on the way, so we can get some more fuel going to that injection pump so it doesn't blow up. Taking time bomb right now. Alright, we got our Rotella 1540, our oil filter, and our fuel filter. So let's get the fuel filter on first since the engine's still warm and it's a little hot. So we'll get the fuel filter in and let's see how dirty this piece of garbage is. Alrighty, so we just pulled this thing and it looks to be a little dirty here. I don't think that's causing the cutting out problem, but you never know, it might. So we'll throw a new fuel filter in. Ooh, yeah. See if that does the trick. So here's the difference between the two. You got the new one here, and then the old one. So the old one looks pretty dirty. So let's see if this fuel filter will do the trick. Alrighty, so we just drained all the oil, and it looks like may have dropped the oil, the plug in the freaking. Oh, I'll try to dig her out, I guess. Alrighty, so we just changed the oil, put the new oil filter in, and let's give her a nice little start up here. Nice. Alright, so I guess the fuel filter did the trick because it doesn't cut out anymore. No cutting out at all. Let's go. Woo! Watch out for the cops, they'll get you. Or that. Let's get her going through town. We'll really get on her. Who's this guy on the bike? Oh, yep, there he is right there, the cop. Act normal, act normal. Okay, he's staying there. Woo! He was right there. He's about to get us. Woo! Nice. Let's get her going. Tossing around the idea of changing the YouTube and Instagram name. I don't know to what yet. I can't use that stacked F-150 anymore because it's good, but now that I've got another truck, it doesn't work real well. Ooh. And that Yeehaul network, it doesn't seem, I don't know, it just doesn't fit right. I'm thinking like freedom something, like freedom something. It's got to be freedom something. So y'all drop some ideas down in the comments, because my last name's Freed and people used to call me Freedom, so it's got to be freedom something. I don't know, I've been thinking like Freedom Train, or oh, there's Adam. Ah! I didn't see him. And then, like Freedom Networking, or Freedom Engineering, or Freedom Customs, or Freedom TV, something. I don't know. Y'all let me know down in the comments what I should do. Just need some ideas. bank, so they gotta go through the drive-thru like this. Look at that. You gotta do what you gotta do. We got our amp here. We gotta figure out all this wiring for the amp and the sub and bull crap, because I think these are speaker wires for the speakers or something. I have no idea. Only speakers will work are this one and the one over there. Those are the only two that work. So I'm thinking, I don't know, these go into the amp. That's a lot of wires though to go to an amp. I don't know, what the heck? So I guess we'll just start wiring stuff up and see what happens. Alrighty, so we got a little 70 horse chip, edge chip, whatever, on this thing, and it puffs a little poof, so let's go show you the old poofage. So the UPS man showed up, and I was like, no, what the heck, what did I order? And then this came in. I opened it up and I was like, oh, I ordered this thing. I forgot I ordered this thing. Old 4-inch inlet to a 10-inch outlet, or maybe it's 12. I can't remember, but now I just ordered the 4-inch turbo back for it. It'll be a loud boy. Alrighty, so this edge chip, it took like 2 minutes to install. It's just like 3 connectors and that's it. So you got the oh, where's it at? You got one connector going down there, right there, and then you have you got those connectors up here. You unplug, let's see if we can find her. You unplug the factory one, and then there's 2 different connectors on here. See if I can get this thing down in there and show you. Somewhat, yeah. Yeah, there's a factory one that plugs in right there. Factory one that plugs in there, and then the chip plugs into here, and then the other connector down here plugs into the factory one right here. So yeah, it took like 2 minutes to install. It's just a little 70 horse chip. It makes it roll a little poof. And then we also have our AFE cold air intake. What else is done to her? That's about it. She's all stock. And then I guess this is pretty common for the 24 valves, this oil cap breaking. But it still works, so ain't gonna worry about it too much. Also, the stacked F-150 tow rig. Also, the F-150 actually still runs. No, I'm not gonna sell it. No! No, I'm not selling it. Why would I sell it? I've had 50 million of you guys ask me, would you be interested in selling the F-150? No! We're not selling it. Unless you give me 10 grand. That's the only reason I'll sell it. Yeah, we're going to be taking this thing. We're going to have the old gooseneck back there with the F-150 on it. With the other wheels and tires on it. The regular dually wheels. Not these that are on it now. The other ones. The ones I first put on. The fuels. We're going to have those on. We're going to take it to shows. We'll be at Daytona. The Jamboree. And whatever else is going on, we'll be at with the F-150. F-150. Yeah, we'll be there. Oh, yes, I got to show you. So, yeah, I just pulled out all the wires that were back here. I just cleaned everything out. Ran a new power wire and hooked up the sub, which is right here. Works good. It sounds way better than just the 2 door speakers on, so yeah. For some reason the frickin' tailgate doesn't shut. It shuts and then it doesn't like latch. So I don't know what the problem is there. Let's gotta gotta slam her. It doesn't latch. So I think I might just get a whole new tailgate. This thing's beat up. So, yeah. There we go. That is much better. No tailgate at all. That's a race truck right there. I don't even know what this tire is for. It's a 5-lug. It ain't no spare tire for this thing, so we might as well take it out. Oh! Easy there, boy. Easy, easy. Whoa! Yeah, the F-150 is just the garbage truck for right now. Boxes. This is all the wires I pulled out of the Cummins. All the speaker wires. All that bull crap. All the unnecessary bull crap! You can see here, this is where the F-150 was sitting. Yeah, this is why I don't have to do an oil change on the thing. That's all oil on both these rocks. And there's some there and there. Yeah. Never have to do an oil change on the thing because it drips out so much. By the time you put new oil in it, or by the time, yeah, you just keep on adding new oil, so you never have to have an oil change. Well, we tried putting the F-150 tailgate on it, and it's just a hair too long. Fits in down here, but it's just a hair too long. Dadgum. Alrighty, so it's day 2, and we just finally finished the darn wiring for the stupid speakers in this darn thing. It's terrible. I'm just kidding. It sounds pretty good now. I got the sub in, and then the rear speakers for this thing. I got the 8-inch sub right under there, and took the speakers out of the F-150 and put them in the rear since these were blown. And then back here, just had to do some custom wiring. What the heck? Yeah. I just got to get a speaker for that side there. This down here, this is where the cup holders are. It was all nasty and it was broken, so I got to get a new one of those. I think I know where I can get one. I'll probably go get it today. Here's a Cummins part out down the road. Might go steal one off of this parts truck. I think that was it for today. Just working on the old Cummins, doing some maintenance and fixing speakers and all that bull crap. So the next video will be on this thing. We are going to be doing a lift pump and a sump. We'll do an install video. Not a boring one. Bigger, go home. Well, let's go take the Cummins for a speed test. It's way faster now. Alright, let's do a little boosted launch here. Was that a car coming? Heifers! Hurry up, Grandma. I'm trying to do a boosted launch. Come on, get her going. I'm trying to do a boosted launch. Another one. Get out of here. What the heck? Of course, no one's out here for an hour, and then there's more. Come on. There's no one out here for an hour, and then when I want to do a boosted launch, there's everybody out here decides to drive. Let's get her going. Come on. Get that piece of garbage Chevy going. I know it's asking a little much for you, but get her going. Who else is down? Another feller. Come on. Idiots. Alrighty, now that everyone's off the road, let's do a boosted launch. Boys and girls, listen to this turbo. Listen to this turbo right here. Ooh, I can get her to bark here. Let me get her barking. barking son of a gun. We'll get her to really bark. Like 13,000 German Shepherds under the hood. Let's turn around this guy's driveway. Do a big old burnout. Nothing too exciting today. Next video will be the lift pump. And I already told you all this bullcrap, so we'll see you then in the next couple days, or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So we'll see y'all. Think of a name for the YouTube and Instagram. Thinking very hard. Can't come up with it, but it'll click. Some will be just the right name.